udon noodles in black bean paste sauce. They just take 3 minutes to heat through, but you could use bucatini or any starchy, chewy. It's a texture thing. You want a chewy noodle. We're going to use very lean, look at that, 0 fat, beautiful Berkshire pork loin, diced, about 3/4 of a pound to a pound, okay? And we're going to use this is only 1 potato, guys. Look at how much that is. 1 russet potato, peeled and diced, and the potatoes and the pork go in together, and we brown them first. So that's what we're gonna get started with here. We have high temperature cooking oil, grapeseed, peanut, whatever you like, high temperature cooking oil in a large non-stick skillet, or cast iron, both are fine. And we're gonna let these guys get nice and brown, and then we're gonna take them out. We're then going to add onions and zucchini and a little crushed garlic, and let that cook a bit and soften. And then we're going to add carrots and our sauce, which is stock and black bean paste. This is black bean paste. You can buy it online or in many of the larger grocery stores. Okay? And we add to that a little sesame and a little bit of light brown sugar, and these guys, ginger and garlic. You know these guys are best friends. So all of that is already in here, and that's how we cook the carrots. The carrots cook in this beautiful sauce of chicken or vegetable stock, 1.5 cups, 1/2 cup of black bean paste. Of course, I don't measure it, I just eyeball it. A little sprinkle of light brown sugar and a little drizzle of sesame oil. All of that is already in here, but you want to do this before you start cooking so the ginger and the garlic and all the flavors of your sauce can come together, right? So now we've softened up our zucchini and onion and crushed garlic, right? Now we're going to add in carrots, 2 carrots. It was 2 little zucchini, 2 little onions or 1 big one. We're gonna add our sauce now. And we're gonna just let those carrots cook into the sauce, which is mostly broth. And the reason it's black is the black bean paste. Let me just tell you about the toppings. These are fun. A little bit of very thinly sliced red onion. This is my favorite. It's the most refreshing thing in the world. I love this. Just thinly sliced seedless cucumber with just a pinch of salt and a sprinkle of sugar doused in rice wine vinegar. This is one of my favorite condiments like in the world and ever. The very last thing we're gonna do is add that tiny slurry, remember, to gloss our sauce when we put everything together. So we cooked our udon 3 minutes in boiling water. And now we're tossing it with our black bean sauce. Wow. And now we have to add back in our potatoes and pork. Look at this, guys. Look at that silky gorgeousness. I threw in our sauce base, right? And that little bit of slurry with just a touch of cornstarch to give it this gloss. But how gorgeous is this? Come on. Come on. Oh, my God, it's almost too heavy to carry. Slide it into our dish. Oh, my gorgeousness.